good story. When I first started again, I was young, still living at home. And I thought, well, and I'd read a book by a lady, I don't remember the name of it, but she said that she would make offers at 50% of value, right? Very bad idea, okay? Didn't know it at the time, so I was like, well, shoot. And this is before the days of internet being a real big thing, and so what I would do is I would go and get, I went and got a one-page contract, purchase and sale agreement that I got from, I think it was Office Max or something, so purchase and sale agreement for real estate. I filled it out, and I got expired listings from a realtor. You know what expired listings are?
I do, yeah.
Okay. So I went and got 2,000 of them. And I said, I want 2,000 expired listings. So he got me all these expired listings. And I filled out a contract for every one of those expired listings at 50% of what they were asking. So 50% of their asking price, and I get, so out of 2,000, so when you put it together, out of 2,000 mailers, and this took me a good few weeks to do because I was hand putting them all together, hand addressing each envelope. So for real, I was, 2,000. So out of 2,000, how many deals do you think I got?
Deals?
How many deals? So
no deals.
No deals. I got 0 deals because they were all 50% of what they were asking. Okay? So that is a ridiculous. So just making random 50% offers, even though the lady in the book recommended it, it was the stupidest idea ever. And that's part of the reason I do this training, is because there's a lot of bad training out there. You're going to get a lot of other people's advice. Realtors are going to tell you how to do this, and mostly they're all wrong.